Have you ever driven past a home and instantly noticed the mailbox before anything else? What if one simple upgrade could make your entire property look more expensive and inviting? Are traditional mailboxes making your home's exterior look outdated without you realizing it? Could a modern, stone, or custom mailbox become the focal point of your front yard? What are the latest mailbox trends homeowners are using in 2026 to boost curb appeal? Stay with us as we reveal stunning mailbox ideas that combine style, function, and personality. Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. Why is a mailbox important for curb appeal? A mailbox is often one of the first features people notice from the street. It helps create a strong first impression. Before visitors even reach your front door, a stylish mailbox can complement your home's architecture and landscaping. It adds character and visual interest to the front yard. Even a small upgrade can significantly improve overall curb appeal. That's why homeowners are paying more attention to mailbox design than ever before. Great design starts with small details, and every improvement adds value to your home's appearance. How can stone mailboxes enhance your front yard? Stone mailboxes bring durability and timeless beauty to any property. They create a strong visual anchor near the curb. Natural stone textures add depth and elegance to outdoor spaces. They pair well with gardens, driveways, and pathways. Stone structures also provide long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. This makes them both practical and visually appealing. Choosing materials that combine beauty and durability can make every outdoor feature more impactful. What are the benefits of custom mailbox designs? Custom mailboxes allow homeowners to express their unique style. They can be tailored to match the home's colors, materials, and theme. Personalized details help create a memorable appearance. Custom designs often stand out from standard store-bought options. They can reflect creativity while maintaining functionality. This makes them a favorite choice for homeowners seeking originality. Personal touches often turn ordinary spaces into something truly memorable and distinctive. Which materials work best for stylish mailboxes? Popular mailbox materials include metal, stone, wood, and concrete. Each material offers different benefits in terms of appearance and durability. Metal provides a sleek, modern look. Wood introduces warmth and natural charm. Stone creates a premium and timeless feel. Choosing the right material depends on your home's overall style. The right material choice can completely change the look and feel of any outdoor feature. How can landscaping improve mailbox appeal? Beautiful landscaping can make a mailbox stand out even more. Flowers, shrubs, and decorative grasses add color and texture. A well-designed planting bed creates a polished appearance. Seasonal plants can keep the area attractive throughout the year. Landscaping also helps connect the mailbox with the rest of the yard. Together, they create a cohesive and welcoming entrance. Combining design elements thoughtfully can make outdoor spaces feel more complete and inviting. What mailbox colors are trending in 2026? Neutral colors continue to dominate mailbox design trends. Black remains a favorite for its timeless elegance. Gray and charcoal offer a modern, sophisticated appearance. Natural wood tones are gaining popularity for warmth and character. White mailboxes provide a clean and classic look. The best color choice complements the home's exterior palette. Color plays a powerful role in creating harmony throughout an exterior design. How can lighting highlight a mailbox design? Lighting can dramatically enhance a mailbox's visual impact. Solar lights are a popular and energy-efficient option. Accent lighting improves visibility during the evening. It can highlight architectural details and landscaping features. Well-placed lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere after sunset. It also improves safety and convenience. Thoughtful lighting can elevate even the simplest outdoor design features. What is the best mailbox idea for your home? The ideal mailbox depends on your home's architecture and personal style. Modern homes often benefit from sleek contemporary designs. Traditional properties pair beautifully with stone or classic options. Custom features can add personality and uniqueness. The goal is to create a mailbox that complements the entire property. When chosen carefully, it becomes a standout feature of your curb appeal. Every home has unique potential, and thoughtful design choices help bring that potential to life. What are the most creative mailbox ideas for 2026? Homeowners in 2026 are embracing creativity more than ever before. Unique mailbox designs are becoming statement pieces for front yards. Mixed materials such as wood, metal, and stone create eye-catching combinations. Custom address displays add both style and functionality. Many designs now blend modern aesthetics with practical features. These creative approaches help homes stand out in the neighborhood. Fresh ideas often lead to the most impressive transformations in any outdoor space. What mailbox mistakes should homeowners avoid? Many homeowners overlook the importance of mailbox placement and design. Choosing a mailbox that clashes with the home's style can hurt curb appeal. Poor quality materials may fade, rust, or deteriorate over time. Neglecting maintenance can make even expensive mailboxes look unattractive. Overly complicated designs may appear cluttered rather than stylish. Avoiding these common mistakes helps create a cleaner and more attractive exterior. Sometimes, knowing what to avoid is just as important as knowing what to choose. How can you choose the perfect mailbox for your home? Start by considering your home's architectural style and exterior colors. Think about which materials best complement your landscaping and driveway. Consider durability, maintenance requirements, and weather resistance. Choose a design that balances appearance with everyday functionality. Look for features that enhance both convenience and curb appeal. The perfect mailbox should feel like a natural extension of your home's design. The most successful design choices are the ones that blend beauty, practicality, and personal style. At the beginning, we asked whether a simple mailbox upgrade could completely transform your home's curb appeal. The answer is absolutely yes. Whether you prefer sleek modern styles, timeless stone structures, or fully customized creations, the right mailbox can elevate your home's appearance, improve first impressions, and showcase your personal style. By combining beautiful materials, smart landscaping, and thoughtful design details, your mailbox can become much more than a functional necessity. It can become one of the most attractive features of your entire property.